Hi students, today's topic is about excretion in plants. Now the question is that do plants also excrete like animals? It is very simple to answer. It is yes. Plants do also excrete the waste products from their body. As they are living organisms, plants do also excrete the waste products but in a very slow process than the animals. Plants break down waste products at much slower rate than animals. Here, the accumulation of waste is also much slower. Now, when you take the example, photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, plants, as we all know that during the process of photosynthesis, the products produced is oxygen, water and energy. Water is being used up by the plant along with the energy is also used up by the plant. But oxygen itself is a waste product produced in the plant. Oxygen is being sent out to the atmosphere through the stomata of the leaves and the lenticule cells of the stem. Green plants when kept in the darkness and also the plants which do not possess chlorophyll. They also send out the products as carbon dioxide and water or the respiratory waste products produced from the plants. Plants do also get rid of excess of water by means of transpiration and guttation process. Waste products can be stored in the leaves, bark and the fruits. When the dead leaves and the ripe fruits and the barks fall from the tree, they shed off the waste products from the plant body. Waste gets stored in the fruits in the solid bodies called as raphides. Several chemical compounds are being synthesized by some of the plants. They use them for their defense purposes so that it gives an unpleasant odor and the taste also for the animals. So the herbivorous animals doesn't go near to the plants to eat them. In some of the plants, these chemical compounds produced in them gives an unpleasant taste. Hence, the herbivorous animals cannot go and feed them and also it may give harm for animal. It becomes toxic for the animal and it may kill even animal also. Hence, these chemical compounds in the plants, they just make use of them to has a defense purpose from the herbivorous animals. Now, let's quickly sum up. Excretion in plants. Do plants excrete like animals? Yes, plants break down waste substances at much slower rate than animals. Plants get rid of excess of water by a process called as transpiration and guttation. The waste products are stored in the plants or trees by means of leaves, barks and fruits. The waste gets stored in the solid bodies called as raphides. Several chemical compounds are being synthesized by the plant for their own use for defense to protect from the herbivorous animals.